Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to log in my Genshin Impact and it shows account or password error, and this message only occurs if you enter the wrong username and password. At same time I don't know what is the username and password for this Migoya account. So if you feel same thing, just follow me friends, because I show the steps to recover your Genshin Impact account. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So very simple method is, so now in this login page section you can press forget password and it asks for the username or email ID. At same time I does not remember my Migoyo username, so I try to put my email ID and click to next. So you can complete this human verification. So next they ask for the confirmation to send the verification code to my email ID. So you can press send code. And one more time you can complete this verification. So next I try to check my Gmail inbox. And this is that verification code. So just copy it. And go back to that Migoya account section. So here you can paste that copied code and click to next. So finally I get the password reset section. So now you can enter your new password. So once you enter your new password and click to confirm. So now my password is changed to new one. At same time you can note one thing, it assigns my username automatically. So I try to enter the password only and click to start this game. But friends, now this time you can see my login process is successfully completed and also my Genshin Impact is ready to play. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.